this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Apex Legends not launching in Season 24. First, open your EA launcher, locate Apex Legends and click on the three dots. Select View Properties, click on Open Folder. Locate R5.exe, right-click and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Change High DPI Settings. Select Use this setting to fix scaling problems for this program instead of the one in Settings. Press OK. Press Apply and then OK. Right-click R5 Apex DX12 and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Select Use the setting to fix scaling problems for this program instead of the one in Settings. Press OK. Press Apply and then OK. Go back to the launcher and click on the three dots again. Now select Repair. Wait for Apex Legends to be repaired. Now open your browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. Click the official NVIDIA site from the search results. Once on the website, click Download to get the installer. When the download is complete, open the file and follow the instructions to install. Accept the terms and conditions and the app will automatically install on your computer when prompted. Choose between the Game Ready driver or Studio driver depending on your needs and click Next. Finally, click Done. And that's it. Open GeForce Experience and click on Drivers. Press Download. Press Install. Select Express Installation and then press Continue. Now your NVIDIA drivers should be updated to the latest version. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 version. Download the x64 version. Now run vc_redist x86. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Now run vc_redist x64. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Restart your PC to finish the installation.